I'm Pete Brand, and my wife Yalani, she's walking around here. We the owners of Thinkwater Geraldton, but now Thinkwater Midwest. Suppliers that got us where we are is people like Philmac. It's really a pleasure to deal with them. They're good people, they're easy people, they're easy company to deal with, a good product, and yeah, and for us it's about product and loyalty, and that is what we get from Philmac. But now we've actually seen how all the different stages get together. But the most important thing for me is we can still see there's so many people working in a place like this. It's not just robots, it's not just mechanical, it's a lot of human hands. It's easy to sell something that you believe in as a reseller, and Philmac is one of them. Philmac is still one of those products that is proudly Australian made and shipped and everything. So yes, somewhere in the conversation it definitely come up, and to have a product like this, a world-class product that's been made in Australia for Australians, I don't think you can put a value on it in these day and time.